Have you ever wondered, what exactly is the internet? We use it every day, scrolling social media, watching movies, sending messages, but most people can't actually explain what it is. Let's break it down in the simplest way possible. No tech jargon, just real-world examples you can understand. First, imagine the internet as a giant system of roads. Every phone, laptop, and smart TV is like a car on these roads. These devices travel across the network to deliver one thing: information. The internet isn't just one machine or one place. It's millions of computers connected together, sharing data every second. If the internet is a city, then servers are like the buildings that store things. Facebook, YouTube, Google, they all have servers. These servers store videos, photos, messages, everything. When you open YouTube and tap a video, your device sends a request to a server somewhere in the world. The server sends the video back to you through the network. And all of this happens in just a fraction of a second. Now, how does all of this actually reach your home? Your internet service provider, or ISP, is the company that connects your house to this giant network. They run cables underground, under the sea, or use wireless towers to bring the internet to your modem. Your modem passes that connection to your Wi-Fi router. That's the device that spreads the internet around your home like invisible radio waves. So when your Wi-Fi feels slow, it's often because your device can't get a strong signal from the router, not because the internet suddenly disappeared. Every website you visit, like Google, TikTok, or Netflix, lives on a server somewhere. When you type a website name, something interesting happens. Your device turns that website name into a number called an IP address. That's basically the home address of that server. Then your device asks the server, "Hey, can I have this video? Or can I load this page?" The server replies, "Sure," and sends back lots of tiny pieces of data called packets. Your device puts all those packets together like a puzzle and shows you a smooth video or a full web page. So now we can finally answer the big question. What is the internet? The internet is a global network of connected computers that store, share, and deliver information. It's not a cloud floating in the sky. It's not magic. It's billions of devices communicating using cables, servers, and wireless signals. And together they create the online world that we use every single day. If this helped you understand the internet better, give this video a like, hit subscribe for more simple tech explainers, and let me know in the comments. What tech topics should I explain next? Thanks for watching and stay curious.